Okay, so those are pictures of our TVs in the front retail area. We actually have our stylists before and after photos that are playing in our front retail area.
Oh my God!
So
So
that's the
you
first
have.
thing.
It looks like you have a flat screen TV
We,
in your retail area with before and after pictures that of your people's work, as well as I think I'm even looking at a tutorial, a video
yes,
tutorial on your, so that you're giving helpful hints as the guest is
yes,
waiting for, to be greeted. Now in some cases I think your either people at the front desk or the associate will actually come out and with the guest mobile device bring the guest either to your pages or your hairdresser's pages so that they can start looking at the work before they're greeted.
yes. We like to show our clients some of the things that we do. We like to teach them while they're sitting and processing. They get to watch what we do. That's just some of the ways we keep
Yeah.
social media involved with our clients throughout the entire experience.
And then, of course, in finishing, I just absolutely love this. You've got it looks like you've got three. You've really got your photo shoots down now. It almost looks like like a glamour shots on steroids here.
It absolutely is.
Yeah, and I
We have
mean,
lots of fun.
yeah, and so it looks like that to the degree that somebody's involved in a higher ticket and that they're guest influencers, this is really you're bringing them to an area of the salon, and that photo shoot experience is mind blowing. Of this because in your evolving part, this is what you took some snapshots of what your people are doing with their downtime. I see mobile devices. I see the social digital guest planner. What's going on there?
Yes, they have to work on their planners on a daily basis because that's what your planner is for. So every morning when they get here or second shift starts at 2, they come in a few minutes early and they pull out their social media, post when they have openings for the day. It is mandatory. It is not an option in our salon to not do your planner, and it is mandatory to do social media. And we also are very much into videoing everything that we do. Not even as much photographs anymore, but more videoing.
All right, so you're actually beginning to pivot from photography into videography so that
Yes.
you're taking that experience to its next level. But what I really love about the downtime part, you're now using the planner so your people are looking out to the next day, this week, next week. Where are those empty windows of time, and how can we post our work in a way where we're filling up our windows of time before the day comes? We're hitting our day goals well
Yes.
before the day is actually here. And to me, that's innovation.